If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making KHAJARA KHATTA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are roughly 18 to 20 dates or khajur. Then for the whole spices, take some fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, cloves, black cardamom, black pepper and cumin seeds. And from these, take only black pepper, black cardamom and cloves in a blender and blend to make powder of it. Then half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, about 2/3 cups of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of grated coconut, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take all the ghee followed by the whole spices, powder and the hing. Now we need to roast this on medium flame for roughly about half a minute. Then add all the khajur along with 2 cups of water, all the salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Now mix it up really well. Then cover it with a lid and let it simmer till almost all the moisture is gone and all the khajur are completely cooked. And this is perfect. So now we can add all the grated coconut and gur. Now combine these really well and wait till all the gur dissolves. Then switch off the flame and it should be done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, KHAJARA KHATTA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.